Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of how to parallel park in 5 easy steps. You'll learn how to find a suitable parking spot, how to match up with the car in front of you before reversing, how much to turn your steering wheel, and when to stop to complete a parallel parking maneuver as a seasoned driver. And the first step is to find a large enough parking space. When searching for a parking spot, look for a space that is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. You may be able to park in tighter spaces as you improve your parking skills. However, it's better to start with parking spots that offer about 6 feet of extra space. Make sure it's legal to park there and take note of any parking restrictions. Once you've found a suitable spot, signal your intention to park and move on to the next step. The next step is to match up with the car you intend to park behind. Position your car parallel to the car parked in front of the empty space. Leave about 2 feet of space between your vehicle and the other car. If it's a same-size car, you can match it mirror to mirror. However, if it's a larger vehicle, aim to align your brake lights with theirs. Step 3. Turn your wheel 360 degrees to the right and begin to reverse. The next step is to turn your wheel 360 degrees to the right, just one full rotation of the steering wheel. Gently start reversing while keeping an eye on your mirrors and blind spots. Continue reversing until you can see headlights of the car behind you in your left mirror, and ensure that your right mirror covers the left brake lights of the car next to you. Step 4. Turn your wheel fully to the left and pivot back. Turn your steering wheel fully to the left and reverse carefully into your perfect position. Slowly continue reversing until your car is parallel to the curb. You can check it by using your right mirror. Step 5. Straighten your wheels and creep forward into position. Straighten your wheels and creep forward into your perfect position to have an equal amount of space in front and behind you. Now, let's summarize all the steps we need to take to complete our perfect parallel parking. Step 1. Find a large enough parking space. Step 2. Match up with the car you intend to park behind. Step 3. Turn your wheel 360 to the right and begin to reverse. Step 4. Turn your wheel fully to the left and pivot back. Step 5. Straighten your wheels and creep forward into your perfect position. By following these steps, you will be able to parallel park perfectly each time. If you need to learn additional driving tips, go into the Zutobi Driver's Ed course for your state to learn more. We'll cover everything you need to get your driver's license. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative driving lessons in the future.